Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in online learning management system at Government Girl Degree College, Chittijheri, Mansehra. I am Khadija Munir. I am going to teach you Computer Application 2. This course is for BS Chemistry 4th semester. Today is our lecture number 1. Today's our topic is computer software. Now, what is computer software? Computer software is a set of instructions and associated documentation that tell a computer what to do and how to perform a task, or it can mean all the software on a computer, including the applications and the operating system. There are two main types of computer software: system software and application software. Now, what is system software? System software includes the programs that are dedicated to managing the computer itself, such as the operating system, file management, utilities, and disk operating system. The operating system manages the computer hardware resources in addition to application and data. If system software are not installed in our computers, then we would have to type instructions for every task which we want the computer to do or perform that task. Application software. Application software are simply applications or often called productivity programs or end user programs because they enable the user to complete tasks such as creating documents, spreadsheets, databases, and publications, doing online research, sending email, designing graphics, running businesses, and even playing games. Application software is specific to the task it is designed for and can be as simple as calculator application or as complex as a word processing application. Microsoft Office, it is an type of application software. Now, what is Microsoft Office? Suite of products developed by Microsoft Corporation that includes Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, Publisher, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Each program serves a different purpose and is compatible with another program included in the package. The suite of program is compatible with both the Windows and Macintosh operating system. Microsoft Office is the most common form of software used in the whole world. Uses of Microsoft Office application in daily life. Microsoft Office suite is a family living in almost every computer around the world. Family members are Microsoft Word to create and edit documents, Excel to perform the mathematical and logical calculations with analytical functions, PowerPoint for presentations, Microsoft Access for database management, and Microsoft Outlook for sending and receiving data by email. And Microsoft is a leader of this family. You can use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, Publisher, etc. to create professional looking documents, charts, calculations, reports, presentations in high speed and accuracy. Today, Microsoft Office applications are used in, according to me, almost 90% official work around the world and provide in government offices. It is so much popular due to its flexible features, easier methods to create and collaborate in official works. Now, what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word can be used in daily life to create professional looking documents such as resume, letters, applications, forms, brochures, templates, business cards, calendar, reports, ebooks, and newsletters, school or college assignments professionally in speed with high quality. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used to perform daily life and business calculation by using logical and mathematical formulas in the spreadsheet. It's a complete financial management application used by millions of people online and offline. It is very well used in data and information analytics by using filters, conditional formatting, and goal seek and predefined templates, etc. It is also used to visualize data and information in charts, smart arts, pivot tables, and much more. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint, another application of Microsoft package with Microsoft Office Suite to create presentation using slides to present data and information in meetings, seminars. It means you can use PowerPoint to create project presentation, business plan presentations, school assignments and presentation for seminar, etc. Now what is Microsoft Access? MS Access is used to create databases and program to track and manage data and information. It means you can create a database of students, a database of your employee and customer records. You can also track and edit their progress with the profile name, address, and everything that is needed for you to collect. Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is used in computer and online as you use Gmail. It is used to send and receive official and personal mail. In this, you can manage your daily, day-to-day tasks and save important contacts. The best feature that we use today is you can access existing email without an internet connection, and you can insert all formatting options while writing an email. Thank you.